Now let's see this question. A can contains a mixture of alcohol and water in the ratio of 7:5. When 9 liters of mixture are drawn off and the can is filled with water, the ratio of alcohol and water becomes 7:9. How many liters of alcohol was contained by the can initially? So they are saying that in a can, water and alcohol are in the ratio, alcohol is to water is in the ratio of 7:5. Okay, and from this can they are saying that 9 liters of the mixture is pulled out and we are going to add 9 liters of water. Then the again the ratio of alcohol and water is changing. Then finally they are saying that the new ratio is alcohol is to water is 7:9. If this is the case, they are asking what is the initial amount of alcohol present there. Okay, so let us say this is initial amount of alcohol is to initial amount of water, and this is initial amount of alcohol is to initial amount of water, A1W1 and A2W2. Right, now from this we can understand that, okay, let me assume that A1 initial amount of alcohol is 7x and W1 initial amount of water is 5x. So again the ratio is going to be 7:5, therefore we can assume it. Okay, and now what is the concentration? If you see the concentration of alcohol, the out of 12 parts, 7 parts is alcohol. This is the concentration, right? So now when I remove 9 liters of the mixture, then from the alcohol this much, 9 out of, see this, if I remove 9 liters of the mixture, then 9 into 7/12 of the alcohol will go out of the container. Got it? So the total content initially was 7x liters. Now if I remove 9 liters, then this much amount of alcohol will be removed from the can. Then how much alcohol will be remaining? The final amount of alcohol remaining will be equal to initial amount, which is 7x. From that we are going to remove this. Got it? So why this number? Because the concentration of alcohol in the original container is 7/12. If this is the concentration, if I remove 9 liters, in that 9 liters also concentration of the alcohol will remain same, right? Therefore this is the total amount of alcohol that is going to go out. So from the original amount, if I remove this, now this is going to be the alcohol present in that. Then what about water? If you see this, the concentration of water initially is 5/12, isn't it? So if I remove 9 liters of a mixture which is containing 5/12 parts of the water, then the amount of water that will go out in that liquid is 5/12 into 9 liters. Now what is the initial amount of water present in this? We are assuming that initial amount of water is 5x. Therefore after removing the mixture, 9 liters of the mixture, the amount of water remaining in that mixture will be this one, the initial amount of water minus the water that is removed when I remove the mixture is this, and later they are saying that it is again filled with 9 liters of water. Okay, filled with water, 9 liters is removed and again filled with water, which means 9 liters of water is added. Therefore you are supposed to add this. So this is the total amount of water that will be present finally. So W2 is this, and now they are saying that A2 is to W2 is equal to 7:9. So which means I have to find out the ratio of these two. So if I write A2 is to W2, so finally alcohol is to water is in the ratio of 7:9. So you will get that 7x minus 7/12 into 9 divided by 5x minus 5/12 into 9 plus 9 equal to 7/9. Right, now you just cross multiply it and find out the value of x. If you solve it, then you are going to get x equal to 3. So once you get x equal to 3, the question asked is what is the, how many liters of alcohol was contained by the can initially, which means what is the initial amount of alcohol present in the can. Now we assume that the amount of alcohol present in the can initially is 7x. Therefore x is already 3, so 7 into x is 21. So initial amount of alcohol present is A1 equal to 21. Got it? Okay.